Good evening, sir.
Evening, yes.
How are you, sir?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so let's start. So I gave you
Okay, sir.
something. Yes.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Actually, your voice I am not getting clearly.
Okay.
So let's start, sir.
Hmm. So what you did?
Yesterday.
That was your topic for speaking.
Okay, sir. Sure. I am going to tell you about my activity, what I did yesterday.
Okay.
First of all, I got ready for my office at 1:30 p.m. Then I left 1:35 almost. At 1:35, I left my home to office
Hmm.
and I reached my office at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
I went to my cabin and I met my reliever who was in previous shift.
Okay.
I discussed with him about what he did in previous shift and what I have to do. That means what is pending. So I discussed with him. Then I checked my mail and production report in my system. After checking, I went to technician chamber and there was few technicians were available and I told them call all technicians. After gathering all technicians, I taken small meetings.
You can say, I had.
I had small meetings. I told them what jobs are, what jobs we have to do today, how to perform it. I discussed with them uh, about the job activities, what jobs we have done. So I distributed jobs all technicians, and I given some awareness on safety also. I told
I
yes sir.
gave them.
I given I सर आई गिवन ना मैंने दिया था.
I gave them.
I gave right. I gave them some small awareness on safety. I told them you must wear helmet, safety helmet, and hand gloves before you start the job. If you are going to, I told them just like that. If you are going to start your jobs, before you check or before start your jobs, you have to inform me. I will check you. I will check you. We need to. We need. I will check that we need to work in online system or we need to take shutdown before start the job. Then I will inform you before the start job. You can work or not. After having closed meeting, I went to my operation. I went to operation department control room and sent them all technicians to check all healthiness of equipments and send them to fill the checklist. They went. After that, I went to control room and discuss with operation departments what is the planning to, and what is the target, today target, production target. I discussed with them and asked him, if you get a shutdown for due to any reason, if you get a mill shutdown due to any reason, let me inform, because I have some plan to do for maintenance. And then I came back to my office. Suddenly I got a call from my boss. He told me one engineer was about to come to check a system, a marking machine. So you have to involve with them. So I went to marking machine system where he was about to come and where he was working. So I went there and I was involved with him. I was learning from him what he was doing and how he was doing maintenance. So I was fully involved with him. So he was, I think he took 3 hours to check all healthiness of machines. So I was involved with him and finally I went to my office again and I had some work in system, just like a initial NFA made. I made NFA in system. I made some purchase requisition in system to procure some spares of machines. So I went my office and did all activities regarding systems. After that, finally I started to report my boss. In the end of the shift, I reported my boss about shift activities and safety reports. After reporting, I came back to my home. That's all.
Okay. You spoke, but I would like to make some changes. Like means I want to correct some of the sentences that I need to say.
But sir, what I am telling, what was that understandable or understood or not?
I understood everything.
Okay, sir.
But just I want you to speak in a better way. So I would like you to repeat the same. And this time I would like to point you out in between. Earlier
Okay,
I didn't point you out because you were in flow to speak. That's why I didn't point you out. But this time now I'm going to point you out.
Point out.
So just start speaking again, the same topic.
Okay, sir. First of all, sorry, I am going to tell you about my yesterday activities, which was I did yesterday,
Which I did.
which I did yesterday. First of all, I got ready for office at 1:30 p.m. Then I left my home at 1:45 to my office. I reached at 2 p.m. and then I met with my reliever who was in previous shift.
I met.
I met.
With. Don't use with. I met.
Only met. I met reliever who was in previous shift.
Yes.
I discussed with him what he did in previous shift.
what he had done, because past में भी वो past of past चला जाएगा,
Okay.
past perfect tense आना चाहिए वहाँ पे कि ना, I met my reliever and I came to know actually what he had done in previous shift, not what मैंने, क्योंकि you are talking to him in past,
Yes.
लेकिन उसने जो किया वो तो past of past था,
Past of past.
so that should
Right.
be past perfect. So
Past
I met my reliever and I discussed with him
Yes. Him. What he had done
in previous
previous shift. Okay. And what is pending? What I have to do in our
Speak
shift.
in past only, don't speak in present. And I asked him to tell me what was pending.
Right.
What was, not what is. I asked him
Ask him.
to tell me
Tell me what was pending.
yes.
Okay. Then I went to. Then I checked my mail and delay report, production report in my system, and I went to technician chamber. There was available with 2 or 3 technicians. I told them call all technicians.
I asked them, मैं कोई
Told
काम
them.
करने के लिए कहना, I asked them to call all of the technician in that room. I asked them to call.
I asked them.
Ask मतलब
Okay.
काम करने के लिए कहना. I
कहना.
asked them to call all of the technician in the same room.
All of the technicians in the same room. After gather, इकट्ठा होने के बाद, after gather all technicians,
हाँ, जब वो सब आ गए,
हाँ, जब वो सब आ गए, तो मैंने एक small meeting लिया.
जब वो आ गए, when they all,
okay, when
आराम से
all,
बोलो एक एक sentence. When they came,
when they
or
came,
when they reached that room, when all came in that room, I had a small meeting with all of them.
I had a small meeting with all of them. I gave awareness on safety also.
Yes, I gave them.
I gave them.
Yeah, I gave them some instructions, you can say.
I gave them some instructions
On,
before we start the
I gave
on
them
safety.
I gave them some instructions on safety measures.
On safety measures. Before you start the job, you should wear safety helmet and hand gloves.
अब जैसे उसमें आपने उनको कहा, I gave them, I instructed them to, I just, क्या बोला आपने उनको? मैंने
I instructed them on safety awareness.
I gave them a lecture on safety measures.
Right.
ये भी कह सकते हो आप. और फिर उसके बाद आपने उनको बताया कि ग्लव्स पहनने हैं और क्या हेलमेट पहनना है.
Or before start the job, you have to inform me. I will check machine it is shut down or is in line online. I check we need to take shutdown before start the job or we can work in online.
हाँ, तो आपने उनको कहा I instructed them.
Okay.
I instructed them to put on. अब पास्ट में चलिए पूरा. Don't use you, put on helmet and like, you don't use you. दे चलेगा वहां पूरा, बिकॉज आप पास्ट में बोल रहे हो. आई इंस्ट्रक्टेड देम टू पुट ऑन हेलमेट एंड सेफ्टी ग्लव्स बिफोर दे स्टार्टेड. पूरा पास्ट में ही चलेगा, प्रेजेंट में नहीं चलेगा जब, क्योंकि पास्ट की बात कर रहा हूं.
पर जब हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं when we
वो तो
speak
चल
in
जाता है,
Hindi,
हिंदी में तो चलेगा, इंग्लिश में नहीं चलेगा. I instructed them to put on helmet and
and
safety
safety
gloves
glove
before they
before
started.
before they started
हाँ,
उन्होंने
their
शुरू
job.
की before they started their jobs.
And I told them they
And I
had to
told them,
inform me. They had to inform me before they went to work.
they went, ये भी past होगा.
हाँ,
Inform
मतलब
me.
जाने से पहले. They
I
had
told them they had to inform me
before they went to job. Before
they
they
went
went
to job. और ये यू भी नहीं सर, दे होगा.
they.
तुम लोग मतलब वहां पर सभी लोग. हाँ,
उनको नहीं बोल रहे हो आप, अभी मुझको
सबको.
बता रहे हो आप.
हाँ,
आप अभी मुझको बता रहे हो, उनको बोल नहीं रहे हो आप. आपने उनको तब बोला था, अभी तो आप मुझे बता रहे हो कि मैंने उनको बोला कि वो
I
जब
told
भी
them.
जाएं, वो जब भी जाएं तो वो हेलमेट पहने, ग्लव्स पहने, और मैंने उनको बोला कि वो मुझे बताएं जब वो काम पे जाएं. अभी मैं उनको नहीं बोल रहा कि तुम जाओ, तुम करो, नहीं. मैंने उनको बोला, आई इंस्ट्रक्टेड देम टू पुट ऑन हेलमेट्स एंड सेफ्टी ग्लव्स बिफोर दे वेंट टू जॉब.
Right.
And I instructed them to inform me. I instructed them to inform me before they started their job.
Okay. Before they started their job.
So that, तो उससे क्या होगा कि मैं यहाँ से लाइन शट डाउन करूँगा.
हाँ, right.
ताकि वो वहाँ पे काम कर सके. So I instructed them to inform me before they started jobs.
Right.
So
Before
that
they started. So
that I might be. So that I might be able to shut down the operations. I might be able to shut down the operations. So in that case, they wouldn't have any kind of problem during maintenance. तो will तो would हो गया past में, ताकि उनको कोई परेशानी ना हो.
Okay. They
जैसे
would not.
आपने कहा, I instructed them to inform me before they started their job, so that I might be able to shut down all the operations.
Shut down the operations.
Yes.
In that case,
they wouldn't have. would will की जगह कि उनको नहीं होगी. You will not have any problem. तो you will not have नहीं. They would not have. They would not have. They wouldn't have any kind of problem during maintenance.
During
तो उनको
maintenance.
कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, नहीं होगी.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
And I told them to go for inspection or to check the healthiness of the system and to fill the checklist.
Okay. I asked them.
Right. I asked them. फिर इंस्ट्रक्शन है. I asked them. काम बोल रहे हैं इसलिए.
I asked them to.
I asked them to go check the healthiness of system and to fill the checklist.
Yes.
After having completed the meeting, I went to operation. Having completed the meeting.
हैविंग यूज कर रहे हो तो फिर हैविंग कंप्लीटेड,
Having
और अगर
completed the
हैविंग नहीं बोलते आप तो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग, तो
having completed
द
the
जॉब,
meeting, the jobs, I went to operation control room. I went to operation control room.
having completed or having finished,
Having finished
finished that meeting, I
having
went to
finished
my,
that meeting.
जहाँ गए आप, I went to,
I went to operation control room.
yes, operation control
Control
room,
room and discuss with them what was what, what was the production target for today.
okay, I asked them,
I asked them what was the production target for today, and I asked them if you get a shutdown.
I asked them
I asked them
to let me know,
I asked them to let me know.
what the production target was.
I asked them to let me know. मुझे बताए रहिए. मैंने उनसे पूछा. I asked them to let me know what is the product, what was production.
What was नहीं, वो क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा.
What production for today?
What the target, what the production target was.
What the production target was. Complete sentence. How it will, how make. What the production target was for today.
Yes.
Okay. For today. And I asked them.
For today की जगह for that day.
Okay.
अभी today आज की बात नहीं ना, वो तो उसी दिन की बात है, past की बात.
I am telling you. Okay. What the production target was for that day. And I asked them if you get shut down. No, if you got shut down.
You नहीं आएगा.
If I asked them if they get shut down, got shut down.
If they got.
I asked them if they got shut down. Let me inform.
Let me inform तो हो गया, मुझे inform करने दो. Let me be informed.
Let me be informed.
या तो ये हो.
I asked them to inform me. Let inform me.
I asked them to inform me.
एक ही सेंटेंस में हो गया ये.
I
asked them
to inform me.
Inform me.
अगर let me inform कर दिया तो हो जाएगा मुझे inform करने दो तुमको, तो आप थोड़ी कर रहे हो, वो आपको करेंगे. तो inform me. I asked them to inform me. I asked them to let me be informed. और ये थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा, इसको मत करें.
What the production target was for today, and I asked them to inform me.
For that day.
Right. What the production target was for that day.
अभी मैं आपको जो इंग्लिश बता रहा हूँ, वो एकदम परफेक्ट वाली बता रहा हूँ, एडवांस लेवल वाली. ओके सर, इसलिए इतना करेक्शन कर रहे हैं. नहीं तो मैं करता नहीं, फिर चलने देते जैसे चलना. But you have joined these classes for advance. Right sir. That's why I'm telling you all these things. अगर ये आपने, if you have command over that, you will be speaking very nice English. Okay sir. अगर इस पे command आ गया तो आ जाएगा. Don't worry.
I asked them to inform me. I had some job for maintenance. Actually, I had some job for maintenance, so I asked them to inform me if if they got breakdown or shutdown meal, they inform me.
They had to inform me immediately.
They had to inform me. They had to inform करना था. Inform me immediately. Okay. And suddenly I got a call from my boss.
And suddenly,
उसी समय फोन आ गया अचानक से.
at the same time,
At the same time or near about. Actually that is not.
means suddenly you cannot use. Suddenly में कोई गलत बात हो गई तो suddenly.
अच्छा.
Suddenly it started raining.
Okay.
कुछ हो गया गलत. तो at the same time.
At the same time.
हाँ.
At the same time.
उसी समय. I got a call.
I got a call from my HOD, from my boss.
हाँ.
He told me he told me I was to involve with him. He told me an engineer was about to come. So he came to check the healthiness of marking machine.
He had come.
He had come.
Who कौन? Engineer.
Engineer.
At the same time, I got a call from my boss. And my
फिर
boss
past का past हो गया.
At the same time, my boss called me, or I got a call from my boss, and he informed me, or he asked me, or he informed me actually. An engineer had already come. An engineer had already come over there to inspect or to check. क्या चेक करने आया वो आप बोल दीजिए. He had already come.
He had already come there to check the machines. So you.
And I, not you.
उसने बोला सो
मैं वहाँ पे ना. तो उसने
So I had to involve.
I had to be with him, or I
had
was to be with him. I had to be with him, or I was to be with him. मुझे उसके साथ ही होना है.
With him. Then I went there. I was involved with him. He was working. I was learning from him what he was doing, how he was checking the system, and so I learned something new from him.
I learned a lot new from him.
A lot new things from him. After completed, having completed his job, having completed his job, I came back to my office.
अब आप उसके बारे में बोल रहे हो. Having completed his job, तो उसी के बारे में पूरी बात करो पहले. अभी आपने बोला having completed his job, वो
having completed his job.
नहीं, सुन लीजिए पहले. आपने बोला having completed his job, I went to, नहीं, तो इसका मतलब हो गया उसने वो काम खत्म करके मैं आ गया, तो सेंटेंस गलत हो गया. Having completed his job, he left.
He left, right.
वो चला.
Having completed his job, he left.
And अब मैं आऊँगा.
I came back to my office. My office. There was मुझे वहाँ पर कुछ काम था सिस्टम में.
तो मुझे कुछ काम था सिस्टम पर, है ना. तो क्या बोलोगे आप?
I had some job in SAP, in SAP system,
Ah,
right? So I did. I made some NFA, note for approval, in system, and I made some purchase requisition in system to procure some item of machines, and finally uh, I started to fill report in logbook and check all checklist who was filled by our technicians
which
and
were
sign it.
filled up.
Sorry, sorry, right? Which were लिखा हूँ, which were filled by our technicians and sign it, approve it, and in the end of the shift, I reported all report, all shift report to my seniors, and then I came back to my home.
So that was my.
That was my yesterday activities.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So many, there are so many mistakes.
That's not a matter actually.
Right,
Mistakes.
sir.
You should be positive. You should not be negative that there were many mistakes. No, you should be positive. Oh, there were so many mistakes, but I have come over are all my mistakes. I have learned lot of new things.
Lot of new things. Yes.
That
How
is
to
positivity. Actually,
how
some negativity is there. If suppose this is the room, and this room is suppose very dirty, then I should not be negative for that it is full of garbage or it is full of dust. But if I am able to clean it, this is positivity. Means anyhow I have cleaned it little bit. But by the time I'll be able to clean it
Clean it.
completely.
completely.
So that's our positivity. And me, I'm gaining something.
Right.
That's the positivity. This is not. You should not think in that way. Oh, there were many mistakes. No, you should be happy. Oh, there were mistakes, but now I'm learning how to come over my
Yes.
mistakes.
How to come over.
Okay.
How to say past activities and past past to past activities.
Past perfect means past of past.
Past to past. Perfect sentence. How to make. Yes.
Okay. So, do you have anything to ask me? Otherwise, I am going to tell you something in past.
No, sir. You may. You may proceed.
Okay, so I tell you here a story or what I should say. Me, this is a topic, or you can say it's a story about two of the shopkeepers. So just listen to me. I am going to use many things here. So you have to listen to me carefully.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I
will.
Yes.
Right now, I am not not writing.
Don't write. Just listen. Just listen. Don't write anything.
Okay, sir.
So I am speaking in present tense, not in past tense.
Present tense. Okay.
And today we are taking the same story in present tense, and next time, tomorrow, we'll take the same story in past tense.
Okay.
Just to understand how to speak the same story in present or past. If you are able to speak that story in present or past, it means you are getting command. So let me speak that story in present tense first. Okay, actually it's a market, it's a big market, and it's a stationary market, you can say. and there are two shopkeepers. I'm telling you, there are many shopkeepers, but I'm telling you that story about two of the shopkeepers. They both have got their shops in that market, and I call first shopkeeper and second. Okay, so first shopkeeper has got everything in his shop, but he has fixed the price or the cost of everything in his shop. I mean, that is fixed. He never changes the price. If it is fixed, then he sells that particular item on that fixed price only. I mean, he doesn't change the price for any customer. But the second shopkeepers, he has got everything in his shop, but he has not fixed the price of everything in his shop. He changes his price according to the paying capacity of his customer. So one day, a man buy his bicycle, comes to the first shopkeeper to buy a paperweight. You know paperweight?
Yes, ball size car.
Yeah. So he comes to that first shopkeeper to buy a paperweight. He enters his shop and he asks the shopkeeper to show him a good quality of paperweight. He shows him many paperweights. He chooses one of them. He asks him the cost of the paperweight.
Paperweight.
He tells him the cost of the paperweight is 50 rupees. But that customer actually comes to his shop by his bicycle, so definitely his paying capacity is not very good. So he thinks that paperweight is costly for him, so he doesn't want to buy. He bargains to reduce the cost of the paperweight. But the shopkeeper has already fixed the price of everything, so he doesn't change the price or he doesn't reduce the cost of the paperweight. That customer doesn't buy that paperweight and he goes to the second shopkeeper. He asks him to show him some paperweights. He shows him, he chooses one of them, but that shopkeeper is very intelligent. Second shopkeeper. He knows the paying capacity of that customer is not very good. So when he asks him the cost of the paperweight, he tells him the cost of the paperweight is rupees 50. The actual cost of paperweight is 5 rupees. The customer thinks this is the best price for him. So he pays rupees 15 and he buys that paperweight from him and he goes back. After some time, next customer you can say, or the second customer or the next customer comes to the first shopkeeper to buy a paperweight. He shows him many paperweights. He chooses one of them. He tells him the cost of the paperweight is rupees 50. He thinks that it is of inferior quality, so he doesn't want to buy because he's paying. Actually, he comes to his shop by his car, so his paying capacity is good. So he thinks that the paperweight is of inferior quality, so he doesn't buy that paperweight.
Right.
And he goes to the second shopkeeper. He tells him the cost of the paperweight is rupees 100. Same paperweight. He thinks that it is of superior quality, so he pays him rupees 100 and he goes back. Right?
Right.
It means the first shopkeeper, because he has fixed the price of everything in his shop, so he lost or he loses customers. But the second shopkeeper is intelligent. That's why he is able to earn 10 rupees from the first customer and 95 rupees from the second customer. It's like that.
Okay.
So you have to speak that
Okay.
now or maybe tomorrow.
Okay, sir. That is all sentence in present.
Yes. After that, you remind me later in our next class to tell you a joke in past tense. Means
Joke in past tense.
you remind me because I may
Okay.
forget. तो आप मुझे याद दिला देना कि joke एक past का मुझे आपको बताना है.
Okay.
So it's very nice joke and you are going to learn lot of structure sentences there. कि कैसे क्या कौन किससे क्या बोलता है वो that is really very good for learning English or for speaking actually. That I'll tell you later, not now, because it's a long, big joke.
Okay.
It may take time. So you may
I will remind you in next class or
anytime next class.
okay. Okay. Definitely.
So that will help you to speak good English.
Speaks.
So you may speak that story of the shopkeepers if you want to.
Present.
Right now, yes.
Right now. Okay. So how I started? Okay. I'm going to tell you a story about two shopkeepers. There is a big market in city, and there are two shops in the market, and there are same shops in the market, and both shopkeepers have same shops. One shopkeepers have fixed their product, fixed rate in their product, and another shopkeepers has
Shopkeepers nahi shopkeeper.
and another shopkeeper
Another की जगह second use है. Second shopkeeper.
and second shopkeeper have
Keepers नहीं keeper.
keeper
हाँ.
And-
एक ही है ना second
हाँ.
shopkeeper.
and second shopkeeper
यही तो कंट्रोल चाहिए टंग पे कि शॉपकीपर्स कहाँ बोलना है कीपर कहाँ बोलना
keeper
है ना ये कंट्रोल आना चाहिए आएगा हाँ
and second shopkeeper have
has
a product. He does not fix fix cost of products. He changes rate of product. So one customers come to the first shopkeeper and ask him. Actually, he want to buy some paperweight. He want to buy us paperweight.
wants to
He wants to buy a paperweight. So he asked him. He asked him what is the cost of paperweight. He tells him paperweight cost is 100 rupees, but actually cost is rupees 5. Okay, so customer wants to buy it, but he has no capacity to buy it. So he wants to pay. Actually, he wants to buy a product and wants to pay a little bit down little bit low cost for it, because he has no capacity to buy that product on that cost. So he does not buy, and he went see sorry and he goes to second shopkeeper and asks to second shopkeeper what
ask
the
to नहीं, ask के साथ to नहीं use करते and
and
ask
he asked the rate of the he asked the rate of the paperweight. So shopkeepers tells him paper cost. First shopkeepers thinks what is how much capacity of the shopkeepers see him and judge how much capacity of that customers, and tells him the cost of the paperweight is 10 rupees. So customer thinks that is customer thinks that paperweights cost is very cheap compared than others. So he buys that product from that shopkeeper and he goes from there. And after some time, a customer come from their his car, and when and
comes to his shop, buy his car.
after some time a customer comes comes from comes his car from his car, and he goes to first shopkeeper and ask him the cost of the paperweight. Actually he wants to buy a paperweight, so he asks the cost of the paperweight, and customer replies the cost of the paperweight is 100 rupees. But he checks and he feels that the cost is very high, and according cost is very high, and quality is also not good as he wants. So he went to other shopkeepers and he went to other shopkeeper and asked him and and asked him to buy same paperweight. So second shopkeeper is very intelligent. He came from his car, so his capacity is very good to buy the paperweight. So he tells him the cost of the paperweight is 100 rupees. Customer also thinks that is good cost of that paperweight, so he buys that paperweight from that shopkeeper. That means a second shopkeeper is a very intelligent, and he earned 100 rupees, 95 rupees from first customer, from second customers, and from first customer he earns 5 rupees. That means 100 rupees he earns from customers. Too much difficult. Okay.
Okay. You may do one thing.
Actually, sir, what is happening? First, I am thinking what you told a story. So backflash, I am thinking what was the exact story, and I am telling. So I am facing a lot of problem. I was facing.
No problem. Listen, I just want to ask you one thing. Actually, all the classes are recorded here.
Okay.
So whatever I teach here to my students, means it is recorded. It is always with me. So I just want to ask you, if you permit me or allow me, I can edit that recording and I can upload it to YouTube if you think it's okay. Otherwise, I don't upload because I always take consent from my students and I always edit. Means it is up to you. Even first thing is that whether you want it or not on YouTube. That is the first question. Second, options are there. You may want it on YouTube and I may hide your face. Or second, I should not hide your face. The two options are there. First is कि upload करें कि नहीं करें, पहला
Okay.
option. दूसरा
Right.
ऑप्शन है कि उसको एडिट ऐसे कर देते हैं हम वीडियो को कि मेरा चेहरा दिखता है, जो स्टूडेंट है उसका गायब कर देते हैं हम, आवाज आती है। तो ये ऑप्शन है। या कई स्टूडेंट्स मेरे ऐसे हैं जैसे पाकिस्तान के हैं, वो तो कहते हैं साहब अपलोड करो हमारा तो वीडियो। तो वो उसमें क्या है कि उनको फायदा ये होता है कि जो वीडियोस अपलोड, जो क्लास है वो उनकी वही रिकॉर्ड अपलोड हो जाती है, तो उसको बार बार सुनते देखते, तो उनको सीखने को मिलता है। जैसे इसमें मैंने like means I told you that story of two shopkeepers. You can listen to it again and again. Oh, that was the mistake. That sentence is spoken in that way. Because
Right.
I'm not going to speak the same story again and again in
Again
every
and
class. But if it is uploaded on YouTube, you can watch it many times as you want. So that can improve, और that can
Yes.
help you to improve your English. तो इसलिए
Yes.
ये एक फायदा होता है, इसलिए मैं करता हूँ ये रिकॉर्डिंग। तो अगर आप चाहें तो मैं इसको अपलोड कर सकता हूँ एडिट करके।
Yes, sir. You may upload, sir.
क्योंकि एक्चुअली सम ऑफ द पीपल थिंक दैट they want to hide their identity or like that. It's okay. Actually, first thing is that I don't think the people who know you, they are going to watch it. पहली
Right.
चीज तो ये कि there are very less possibility कि कोई आपको जानता है वही आपका वीडियो देखे, और देखे तो देख ले।
देखे तो
ये
देखे। Yes.
एक
It's
तो ये
reality.
चीज होती है, एक चीज
Right.
तो ये होती है, देख रहा है तो देख ले, कोई चोरी तो कर नहीं रहे हो। We are not going to do anything illegal. पर कई लोग
Illegal,
कहते नहीं
right.
साहब हमारा तो दिखना नहीं चाहिए। ठीक है, इट्स योर विश, नहीं दिखना चाहिए तो नहीं, लेकिन उससे पॉजिटिव चीज ये होती है जो मैंने बताई आपको कि वो अपने वीडियो को बार बार देख सकते हैं, और मेरा फायदा ये हो जाता है कि आपके वीडियो को और लोग भी देखते हैं, तो they are inspired by it.
Right, sir.
They're inspired, they can learn and they can be my student later. So that is
Right.
my advantage and your advantage, and मेरा चैनल की वो बढ़ती है रैंकिंग।
Right.
And students advantage is this, that they can watch it again and again. तो ये फायदा होता है। तो इसलिए मैंने आपसे पूछा, अगर if you allow me, I can upload it after editing.
Yes, sir. You may upload, sir. Definitely. No problem.
आप देखेंगे बार बार तो आपको मजा आएगा कि मैं क्या बोल
Yes.
रहा हूँ, सर क्या बोले, फिर क्या मिस्टेक हुई क्या, तो इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल। आपकी क्लास
Right, sir.
आपके पास ही पहुंच गई है।
Right.
तो
Okay, sir.
do you want to hide your face there or not?
No issue, sir. You can, without hide, you can upload.
हाँ, तो उसमें कोई इतना बड़ा इशू नहीं है। लोग सोचते अरे साहब, मैं तो कई लेडीज के भी है वहाँ पे, अगर आपने देखे हो।
नहीं sir, I watched, sir. I have so many videos.
और कई लेडीज ऐसी हैं कि वो इतना बुरा मान गई, उनका अपलोड देयर वो, एक तो पहली चीज दे हाइड देयर फेस, ओके, विद ऑडियो, दिस इज ऑडियो क्लास, एंड व्हेन आई एक्चुअली अपलोडेड इट टू YouTube एंड दैट इज ऑडियो, तो उसमें भी उनको बुरा
Okay.
लग गया, अरे हमारा ऑडियो क्यों डाल दिया। तो उसमें
Okay.
क्या जा रहा है, एक्चुअली फायदा ही हो रहा है ना लोगों का, आपका
Right.
फायदा है, उसको नेगेटिव सेंस में लो चाहे पॉजिटिव में लो, इट इज अप टू यू। तो मैं ये
Yes, sir.
वीडियो, क्योंकि एक अच्छा वीडियो था, इसमें आपने भी अच्छा बोला, जैसे पहला जो आपने टॉपिक बोला था एक्टिविटी वाला, आई करेक्टेड इट, सो यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न इट, एंड देन आई
Okay.
टोल्ड यू दैट स्टोरी अबाउट टू
Yes.
शॉपकीपर्स, you are going to learn that story again and again.
Yes.
So that's why I'll upload it after editing. You will
Okay,
get
sir.
it tomorrow on
Okay, sir.
YouTube.
Okay, sir. I will see, sir. I will watch.
एक मेरा स्टूडेंट है, क्या नाम उसका,
पाकिस्तान का.
हाँ
पाकिस्तान.
हाँ, वाहिद जमान।
Yes, sir. One video you have uploaded, I think so. I watch.
वाहिद जमान तो बोलता था मेरे हर वीडियो डालो सर, हर वीडियो डालो, तो मेरा इतना अच्छा स्टूडेंट है,
Yes,
बहुत
yes.
अच्छा, बहुत मस्त लड़का है।
I watched, sir. I think you have discussed with Pakistan country's development in one video. I think so.
बहुत सारे हैं मेरे पाकिस्तान के स्टूडेंट, तो चलते रहते हैं। वो वाहिद जमान तो बहुत डिस्कस करता है, बहुत, ये ग्रामर, ये क्यों होता है, ये क्यों होता है, ऐसा क्यों होता है, वो तो बहुत पूछता है, बहुत, ही लर्न्स इन डिटेल।
Okay.
करता है वो, अच्छा करता है। ओके, सो
Okay, sir.
सी यू अगेन। So
Yes, sir.
tomorrow
Okay.
you want to have your class or?
Yes, sir. I want to have a class in morning time. I will inform you.
नहीं, morning I am not free tomorrow because I have to go to temple Sanichara and it is
Okay.
25
So,
kilometers
after-
from here.
25. Okay. So after lunch.
Noon, it's not
Okay,
a problem.
because yes, tomorrow I will go in night shift. So 8, 10
daytime you can have, no problem.
Okay, sir. Second half I will inform you what exact time we will start.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay, good night.